In this video, I will show you how you can change your photo style with AI editor on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just open the Gallery app and from here just scroll down and select the photo which you want to edit. Now I'll select this photo. Now after that, just tap on the Galaxy AI icon at the bottom of the screen. Now after you enter into this section, just select Style at the bottom right side of the screen. Now after you do that, you will find all the available styles over here. And just select the style which you want to set on this photo. Now you have the option for 3D cartoon, retro anime, pop art, and much more. Now for example, I'll select retro anime, then tap on generate. Now after you do that, you'll change your photo style based on the style which you have selected. Now if you're satisfied with the style, then just tap on save copy. And as you can see, this is how you can change your photo style using the AI editor. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.